Start na guys.
Nakita ng bulan. Ito nga, dun sa'yo. Tuhilison, basket.
Hulita at saka Bilya Inahi guys. Hulita yung nakadilaw.
Shot clock 14, sumalpal. Shot clock 10, 9, 8, basket. Yan number 10. Ito Recanal, may tanga ng bola. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Taas to Hilson, balik. Shot clock 10. May double dribble na tinawag sa rin. Ito is ito ang number 0. Looking for opening. Pasa sa gilid. Yapan. To number 10. Wala. Rebound. Hilson. Tapos may foul committed to number 10, illegal contact, 2 free throws. Basket. Ito ngayon, Escoto. AC. Wala, rebound. Ito ngayon, Hilson. Sa gitna, Torricanal. Wala, rebound by Hilson. Nagawa ng pula. Ball out of bounds. Same ball. Shot clock 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Shot clock, reset. Ito yung pa ngayon, may tanga ng bola, nagpamadali. Sa ilalim, miss ko doon, wala, rebound. Nakuha ni Luzon. Long pass to number 20, Recanal, basket.